This Mad Max-type vehicle is a field modification by the Russian army to counter drones. The vehicle is specifically designed for this purpose, including its maneuverability and weaponry mounted both at the front and back. The armament on this vehicle consists of 6 AK rifles mounted in series at the back, operated by a gunner seated in a reverse direction. At the front, there is a remote weapon station with a thermal camera. This station is equipped with 2 machine guns and a 6-barrel shotgun. Additionally, there are 8 expelling charges positioned around the vehicle, providing a 360-degree defense against drones, possibly as a last resort. The vehicle has 2 turrets. The front turret can rotate almost 360 degrees, while the rear one rotates 180 degrees. The crew of this vehicle consists of 3 personnel. A major drawback of this vehicle is that all the ammo loading is manual. After neutralizing the first FPV drone and possibly the second, the third would be free to hit from any direction. This is just a field modification by the Army as per requirement, and it is not a proper design with testing and certification. The system is yet to go through the real test in the war. The main point is that, when the vehicle is stationary and the drone drops an explosive charge from the height, then what? It is appreciable that there are innovative minds to develop systems as per the requirement, but what about research centers and design bureaus? Russian military should adopt proper and reliable systems against the FPV drones, rather than field ideas.